Hello, hello. Jeff Helvin here with the Lori Ballen team in Las Vegas and Ballen Brands at your command. Today, I wanted to show you how we can customize our dashboard in Command to better reflect the things that we want to have access to. So for example, I can click up here on the top right and click on Customize Home, and you'll see up here a series of options that we have, such as a task widget, product updates, goals, design updates, database health, Notepad, and recent leads. Now, I can choose to have those on the dashboard, or I can unselect them to have them not on the dashboard. And further to that, I'm actually able to rearrange what order they show up in. So for me, what tasks I have is the first thing I want to see when I log in. I also like to see any recent leads that have come into the system as well. So that gives me kind of quick access to that. It's good to have goals. Maybe I want the database health to show up next because maybe that's something I'm proactively working on. If I like to get into designs more, I want to stay kind of on top of the new things that they're releasing, like for holidays, and be inspired, then I have that option. I could click up here to Notepad and drag that up a little bit further. So when I hit apply, you'll see my dashboard gets rearranged here. So I have my tasks, my recent leads, my health, design updates, little Notepad, goals, and then at the bottom, the latest product information, the latest product updates for Command. So don't hesitate to jump in there. There might be new widgets that get added along the way, so we want to keep a look, keep an eye out for those things, and make sure to customize this so you can get the most out of your experience with Command. If you have any questions at any time, please don't hesitate to reach out at team@ballenbrands.com.